Okay, we talk about strategy operation and management operation. Presented by me, Ajustira. Yes, we talk about understanding strategy and management. Number one, effective planning. Strategic operation involves defining a clear objective and align resources with organizational goals. Informed decision making. Utilizing strategy allows leaders to make data driven. Yeah. Before we flashback, we like to, I'm doing like flashback about the marketing management and semester 3 informed decision making to make data driven decisions, and I will talk about the marketing 5.0 Philip Kotler. Yeah, this is related to informed decision making and competitive advantage. A well-defined strategy enables organizations to achieve a sustainable growth and outperform performance rivals in market. Yeah, like quality product and yeah, I will talk about the phone anymore. This is named Poco F7. Why I choose the Poco 7? You can check the price is 5.5 million in rupiah. They provide the Snapdragon 8S Gen power, 15 megapixel camera, Sony IMX camera sensor, wood aluminum frame metal body, back to glass. Yeah, this is provide and offering the deals for the consumer rather than competitors. Yeah, the competitor of Poco F7 is iQOO Neo 10, Samsung A56. iQOO Neo 10 is backdoor and frame is plastic, same as processor Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, but the price is overpriced. You got the storage RAM 12 per 5,112 in 5.5 million rupiah, rather than iQOO Neo you need to 6 up million rupiah. This is for good deals and deal breaker the iQOO Neo 10. I choose this for budgeting and talk about the performance, something likely that same. Yes, this is Poco F6. Okay, next, essential elements of strategy operation. Analysis. Assessing internal and external factors is crucial for informed decision making and strategic development. Planning. Setting clear goals and outlining strategies ensures a focused approach to achieving organizational objectives. Execution. Effective implementation of plans is vital for aligning operational and strategic goals and achieving results. Different approaches to strategy development. Yeah, we know about the corporate strategy or businessman strategy or functional strategy, but how this different and why we different? Any cases? Talk about corporate strategy. Corporate strategy talk about organization ensuring long-term success in the market. Business strategy focus how to compete effectively in specific niche, specific markets, and customer needs and preferences. Yes, we talk about Poco F6 more. Poco F6 is all-rounded, but they have a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. This is perform and gaming focus. and I think the Poco F7 is likely to semi-alone because the performance Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is semi-flagship or mid-high premium chipset. This is business strategy in Poco or Xiaomi had launched the Poco F7. I'm talking about the Poco F7 anymore, but I like this phone. I'm very enjoying all the satisfaction in this phone. Okay, talk about functional strategy. Support business strategy by detailing specific tactics within departments, optimizing resources and actions. Creating a strategic plan. Defining objectives. Yeah, clear detail, clearly objective, how much you prioritize. It is important. Analyzing the environment we need analyzing how politics go, how the economy of the environment or countries like this. Example is Indonesia. Indonesia government or Minister of Money. I have forgotten about the Minister of Investment or Minister of gampangnya Menteri Keuangannya lah gitu. Maaf tadi I'm using little bit of Indonesian speak, but I because I forgot the Menteri Keuangan the Menteri Keuangan in English terms. Yeah, this is Menteri Keuangan. I use Menteri Keuangan. Menteri Keuangan is name is Purbaya. Head out the kebijakan lah gitu. Itu kebijakan. Tadi dia mengeluarkan kebijakan namanya membuat 200T kepada bank secara bertahap. Yang apa artinya itu? Artinya berarti dia menggerakkan ekonomi, membuat kredit dan segala macam supaya ekonomi itu berjalan gitu. Itu maksudnya. Nah, ini bisa jadi potensi bagi investor atau bisnis karena dengan bank-bank negara yang likuiditasnya makin naik, artinya perputaran ekonomi dan uang itu semakin maju, semakin berputar, ada suplai ekonomi dari pemerintah seperti itu maksudnya. Okay, next I will talk about choosing the best course of action. Yes, like a SWOT, like a smart strategy. Yeah. How we know the action is use this smart strategy, I think. And SWOT about talk our business. Okay, next. Executing the strategy plan. Executing strategy plan with working teamwork is needed and necessary for the business. Effective communication. Resource allocation is the all about the resource allocation. Oh no, forgot. Tadi aku itu data itu SPN belum tadi. Resource allocation like the division or another division has need to be clear and maximize productivity and helps prioritizing tasks online with study. Monitoring of progress. Yeah, we need monitoring and division of monitoring because the business or division do not monitoring. We cannot know how the performance work on. Example, yeah, I use the Poco F6. If I use Poco F7 to gaming performance, and I did not monitoring the hit, all the hit body, what does it come to? Damages? Yes, damage. Damage of CPU and damage motherboard. Potential. All of the parts the phone is damaged. Of course, yes. Like this species. Okay, something like these species. Correct. Thank you for your attention.